We're on the way to Palm Springs from San Diego right now. Black Truck's been in the booth for the past 12 days. I cannot wait to see the new paint job. All the work that we're doing on the interior, getting this thing ready for Expo West, needed a new coat of paint. We're keeping it 202 black, just adding a clear coat on top. Sergey's had it in the shop for the past 12 days, and I've been so excited to see what this thing looks like. Can't wait to see it. Baby. We're here at Discount Tire in Pacific Beach. This is my go-to tire shop since we established Outworld HQ in San Diego. Big mystery of what wheels were actually going on this truck for the overhaul is the VTX Classic.